sick.
Land Rover 101 radio body, 1976.
She's got a Land Rover 101 radio body, 1976. It's got a V12 petrol engine in it. This thing is absolutely insane. Look at it, guys. So this would have been a radio vehicle that military used, and essentially it'd store radio equipment to help the army communicate with each other. How insane is this car? It's got a V12 in it, no obligation for MOT and no road tax. And then it costs about 15 grand. These blokes between them own 12 of the things. How insane is that? No, it's cool, it's very cool. Right, have a good day, guys. See you later.
I'll see you later.
Yes, mate, I was sick.